Okay, so welcome to VGA HTML5 Studio demo, and it's also an information demo to give out to whoever is going to come around and become a member to use the tool to just do what the tool is meant for, to design video pages for your website or just to have it run from here. Okay, so each member do get a file manager, and to make it much easier for you to understand what the player does and everything, I can simply look at some of the example that I did, and no, so you can download your work too, right? Or you can delete it if you don't want it in the system. And I did a YouTube thing, a King Kong thing, right? Right. So that's something that I did, and okay, let's see, a custom audio player. Well, I think this is not really seeing the style sheet, but I'm going to correct that. So the fact that you can generate an audio player, right? And the fact that you can also generate a list player. So that's some of the things that we have to offer you that the player will do for you, regular HTML5 player. Okay, so let's go back to over to the studio. And yeah, you can also create your own pages by drawing quotes, right? Because I will show you in a minute. Okay, let's go to back to the manager and go to 5. So when you're over here at 5, you can still come back to your manager, and you know you could probably do a page, right? And you can actually use the HTML5 program to grab codes over there that you want to just try to like do stuff yourself. And why we have the editor there, because we'll have a resource file that will get a bunch of different kind of examples and ways you can utilize video codes in the future. Here we click over to this side, so we have a few tools here like the closed caption tools. And if you're using the closed caption to write a closed caption, you may like to have to insert the head of the caption, and your first caption will be that. But there's a starting time, so you can do a different starting time. So which is followed by 8, and maybe if the word comes really fast, so maybe you just say 2 or something like that. So the starting time, you can add another caption. And you go here and look at the caption that you just did. That will appear in your video, right? Okay, and so let's take this out for a minute. So that's just show you how you generate your caption, and you have to see the caption file name here, and we'll show you that's a .vtt extension on whatever name that you're using. Okay, so we also have another tool here that allows you to do a thing like, okay, there is a video already in the video field, so I will click this and the system search and know that the video is there, because I click push the video further, so when it's all like that. But even so, if I go to capturing and I want to capture an image, so I'm most likely to have to do this, right? And then I'll get the image that I can do this, right? So later on, when I'm here and I need an image, I can have this image to use here. Like, okay, my image is here, wherever you load it, and we'll most likely be giving you a way to load your personal image there too, right? So like you, okay, so for instance, that you just worked here and you copied an image, we'll allow you to use the image upload in your administration. That will be there when you're there to put that file in there, so you could be easily used while generating a video, right? So we showed you how, so we can generate like a, let's say, right here, start and generate Once we generated that, we'll do this, and we'll do this right here, and we'll do this right here, and we'll view right here. So see, that it's easy to do that. Now, there's another thing that you can still do to this. Let's clear here. And when you see the Kong thing, you notice that it had the color and everything inside of there. So we do have a method that we use to do that, and that's working with the star sheet. Right? So, and we went over and said, okay. We have an header color and head front color. So the head front color, I'll try to probably make that white. And I'll also go make all these front colors white, you know. And we'll probably like get that the size. And now let's choose a background. And let's choose, okay, I often choose tape on music, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay. Right? So we had the right thing happening, so we don't know what happened yet. Cool, you guys. So just a quick demonstration to show you that a page, a template, is just the way you want to treat it. And this is first generation template. And of course, you know, there'll be other secondary templates, but this is just a pure template that's made for the original HTML5 program, and it's still there. Okay, so there is another one, so we can clearly take this out and look at the secondary template that's there. Cool. All right. Okay. So you have the second one that's there. Okay. So let's get back to your dashboard. So yes, and you know, you have your profile, you can change your profile image, and you can do your profiling and that kind of stuff, right? Here. Okay. And the future of the system is to have you create more dynamic templates and more dynamic video player. So if you're here and you're watching HTML5 Studio, which is VGA Cloud 5, thanks a lot. Okay? And be sure to go to VGA and drop a line or message, and we'll definitely hear from it. And you can keep coming to VG and you will see the sign that said sign up, right? Okay, thanks a lot. HTML5 Studio from VGA, powered by VGA.